Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Aaron Luna. Almost a month after the historic windstorm, the inland Northwest is still cleaning up. KXLY4's Grace Ditzler working for you. Grace, a lot of South Hill residents spent their day waiting to dump the rest of that debris they picked up in their yard.
Aaron, I was at Ferris High School today where the line of people waiting to drop off their debris snaked all the way around the parking lot. The City of Spokane says during this 18 days of free disposal for tree and yard waste from the windstorm, the city collected more than 3,000 tons of debris. Today, the city hosted a free disposal at Ferris High School. People took their yard and tree waste to Ferris from 9 to 1 p.m. Waste management workers told me the stream of people was constant all day, and they had to continuously take the dumpsters to be disposed of and come back. Many people came to dump their debris multiple times.
We heard that there was a free disposal today, so this is my second trip in here. I got here this morning around 9 when they opened, and the line actually was going out and around up to the intersection along the road.
And Daryl and others I talked to said they'd been cleaning up constantly since the storm, and today they were excited because most of the work was wrapping up. And the city will be accepting yard waste at Ferris again tomorrow from 9 to 1, and people in City Council District 3 in Northwest Spokane can take yard waste to Dwight Merkel Park next weekend. Reporting live in Spokane, Grace Ditzler, KXLY4 News.
All right, thank you, Grace. If you visited any of Spokane's parks, you've noticed there's still a lot of cleaning up to do. The city is going park by park to address and take care of any trees that have issues. They'll deal with the most populated parks first. City officials say Spokane parks lost more than 460 trees in the storm, something the city's urban forester thinks is due to them being watered so frequently.
In a park or in somebody's yard, that root system tends to stay where the water is, toward the surface of the ground, and that can cause an unbalanced problem. So you have this really big top of the tree and a root system that isn't balancing it underground.
The urban forester is looking at ways to make sure trees are not only healthy and beautiful, but also more stable in the ground.